the Shelf Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll dive into the Shelf, a unique freelancer platform designed to connect brands with influencers and creatives for impactful marketing campaigns. As always, links to the platform and relevant resources are in the description below. The Shelf is tailored for brands, agencies, and influencers looking to collaborate on creative campaigns. It specializes in influencer marketing, making it a standout option for businesses aiming to boost brand awareness or engage niche audiences through authentic content. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, the Shelf's focus on data-driven matchmaking ensures you'll find the right talent to achieve your marketing goals. One of the platform's key features is its advanced influencer analytics. It uses proprietary algorithms to assess influencer reach, audience demographics, engagement rates, and campaign potential. This allows brands to make informed decisions and maximize ROI on their marketing efforts. Additionally, the Shelf supports a wide range of campaign types, including social media takeovers, product launches, and long-term partnerships. For influencers and freelancers, the Shelf offers a curated marketplace that simplifies the process of landing quality collaborations. You can build a detailed profile showcasing your work, niche, and audience metrics, which increases your visibility to potential clients. The platform's streamlined workflow tools, such as content review and payment tracking, make managing campaigns efficient and stress-free. Collaboration is made seamless with the Shelf's project management features. Clients and freelancers can communicate, share updates, and approve deliverables all in one place. Payment security is also a priority with escrow functionality, ensuring funds are released only when both parties are satisfied with the work. In summary, the Shelf is an excellent choice for businesses seeking influencer marketing solutions and freelancers specializing in creative and promotional work. Its data-driven approach, comprehensive tools, and curated network of talent make it a standout platform in this niche. Whether you're looking to amplify your brand's reach or secure impactful gigs, the Shelf delivers. Check the links in the description to explore it further and start your next collaboration.